a towel. I am going to wash this bongsong with the help of tea. Oh, no. Here it is, very clean and tiny. Now we are going to cook. Adding the bongsong inside the pot, the lungs, the blanket, the towel, the small intestine, and garlic, ginger, onion, and water. And we are going to cook all this and adding salt. Yeah, let's cook. This is the face of the bongsong after cook. Here it is. We are going to refry it again. Refry it. All this. Okay, let's start frying. Here, hot oil, adding ginger, garlic, onion, attach them up. And then we are going to mix for a while and add turmeric powder and then chili powder. Yeah, smells good. And while coriander leaf, king chili, and dry king chili. And now we are going to add all the bone blanket and the bone piece and mixing, and I'm gonna add all the water again. Then we are going to cook. And for our chutney, we are going to make this green chili with fermented fish piece. Okay, here it's time to smash them with salt. This is going to be a tasty one. Wow, this smells is so good. I'm hungry. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Oh, kang Thai. Now it's time to add coriander leaf. Okay, smells good. Yeah. It's time to have it. Good. Hey guys, come back to my channel. And as you see, today we're going to have a pork. What pork?
Oh no.
Beef intestine. Beef. Cow inner piece. Cow inside. Today we are going to eat cow inside. Okay, what happened to my hair? You stay like this. Okay, don't go and run in here and there. Here it is. This is the pond pea. This is a towel. It's going to be a good one. And here we got broccoli, zohi, jihi, basil, zohi, cucumber, and tomato meat. Here we got tomato meat. Okay, let's pray.
Oh no.
Amen. That's chicken. So we guys have to pour this because the bukang is already very dark. Here we got the bukang. Let's dig in. Kadalan, karati kalang to. Nintay bihi. Green chili chutney lemang.
Uh-oh.
Kalay ba? So good. Tuning may tuwing gawin ako. Soup. Hồi làm thầu căng xí ít bị bò là không thấy lê lê mà no pies we have to use water but still not bad. A towel. 줄에다가 방따이 떠돌래요. 반 다감.
What?
Last bite. Okay, that's all for today. It was a very good meal. Very twist. You can try it at home. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in my next video.